go. All right, this is what I kind of want to go over today, guys. You know, all the right beats, all the wrong reasons. And is there, this is a big topic for a lot of people. So, what I want to get at is whenever you're making a beat and you spend all that hard time, um, man, you spend 5, 6 hours, maybe a day for a week to make one beat, and then somebody wants to buy your beat. I don't sell my beats, and I'm going to tell you why here in a little bit. But if somebody were to buy your beat and offer you a good amount of money, there's a lot of reasons why you might not be happy with it. It could be the price, it could be a lot of things, but the big reason, the big issue is the message behind the music. I mean, if somebody's going to be promoting something you don't agree with, whether it's religion or how you grew up or your views on life, or if it contradicts everything that you grew up with, are you willing to sell that beat to that person? And my answer to that would be yes, because if you look into things that deep, then you would have to believe in the karma. And if you didn't have that ability to produce that beat, just say for that one person for you to connect with that bought that beat, and say he put it out and he made money and he lives his life, but yet the lessons that he learns off of that uh, income because of the beat that you made for him or that you provided for him might be more valuable. You know what I'm saying? He might get checked in life about, oh, well, maybe I was wrong about, by the remarks that I made. Maybe that beat made him hit that platform to where people were actually telling him or her, hey, maybe you should think this one, or I support you, man, or why do you think that way? Or, there's tons of different outlets, you know what I'm saying? So it's the more exposure, the better. And the more that I put myself out here, the more I learn about myself too. So I'm just saying, yeah, I would definitely sell my beat to anybody that wanted to buy it, because karma might come back and teach them a lesson or reward them. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking into it that way. But as far as money and everything like that, you put in your hard work time and everything. So, that's up to you. If you want somebody to get paid off of your money, or off of your work, that's totally different. Me, I'm not going to be happy with somebody you know, that makes $10,000 a year off a beat that I made and sold them for $100. Just not going to be happy with that. So that's kind of what I just wanted to go over, and I appreciate you guys very much. And like I say, the more that I'm out here, the more I learn about myself. So um, the more that you allow other people to express themselves, the more they're going to learn about themselves too. So in a good and a bad way, it's a positive. You know what I'm saying? But right on, guys. I'm gonna get back to the studio stuff here. I just wanted to share my thought on that. It was kind of in my head, and I also had another thing that was in my. I was thinking about the other day. I made a video about splice and getting your samples and samples versus freaking original homemade beats and all that. And I had a comment on there. He's like, "Well, how do you make your drums?" And he had a good point. Samples and the way that you use them and manipulate them are the same way that you. And so I understand that, and yeah, it helped me think in a different way. So yeah, I'm not afraid to use a sample, but I still like to use my own. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, I'm definitely open-minded to that, and I appreciate those comments like that. So right on, guys. I'll holler at you here in a little bit when I pop up with something new. But I'm gonna keep going. I got the day off today because of some bad weather, so I'm gonna knock this thing out today. I'll holler at you guys later. Thank you very much. Um, yeah, subscribe to the channels, and or just my channel, or whatever channels you want to subscribe to. Like, unlike, just anything you guys need, man, I'm here. So I'll holler at you in a little bit.